See, look. I can even... Look who's in there. Mommy, yeah. You want to take a picture? You can take a movie, your first movie. Is it recording? Are you picking a movie? Wasn't it? You were not. Were you on the line for the where we saw this next? I think it was. And I didn't find out till a couple weeks later that a lot of people were sick. Here, let's take a picture. Take a picture of your bunny. Go find your bunny. You just brought my camera. This was a mistake, wasn't it, huh? Uh-huh. Mommy knows. Mommy says, Debbie, why are you say hello. Ooh! Oh, I got. Ooh! Are you mad? Are you mad? Huh? Okay.